Hi everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So welcome to part 2. This is the Harvest Pumpkin face painting tutorial. I went and I filmed part 1 to do this makeup look, and so this part 2 we're going to be creating a pumpkin. So go ahead and stay tuned. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my grease paint palette. I will link this one down below, and I'm going to be taking the orange shade and we are going to be creating the pumpkin. So on a detailed brush, and I will also link this down in my description below, I'm taking the orange and we are going to start about right here. Then what you're gonna do is take the brush and go like on the flat side, and you're just gonna kind of push out the paint and make it thicker. Usually when you're working with grease paints, you want to put a shadow over top, so like an orange eyeshadow to kind of keep it in place, or so that it doesn't kind of get everywhere, but it's totally up to you. I'm just gonna see how this goes first, and if I find that I need to put eyeshadow over top or it's getting messy, then I'll do that. So I'm gonna be done right now with the orange, and I'm gonna switch and I'm gonna dip into yellow. So I'm taking a yellow shade and I am just kind of bringing it down and blending it in with the orange. This is gonna make the pumpkin look like it has like some texture to it. Again, blend it into the orange. That's what's nice about grease paints, is you can easily blend them. Okay, now we're gonna dip back into the orange. Okay, and then we're gonna dip back into the yellow. Put it next to the orange that we just did on the sides. Just kind of fill the rest in with the yellow. And just kind of use your judgment about like the shading and like what looks good to you. So this is the outline of our pumpkin. Now we're going to get into the details of the pumpkin. Next, I'm going to go in with the brown shade and we are going to create the stem. Next, we're going to take black and we're going to make some outlines and little lines. Okay, so there is the thicker, there's a space, there's like a thinner, a space, and then a little bit thicker. So we're going to do that to create the shape of the pumpkin. Okay, so I created these little lines, and so now what we're going to do off of these lines is we're going to branch out here. Make a little curly Q. And now we're going to do the leaves. Okay, I'm going to be taking like a green, a red, and maybe an orange shade, and we're going to create the leaves. So I'm going to go back in with the black and I'm going to outline the stem. When working with grease paints, I recommend keeping a jar of soapy warm water next to you so that you can easily go back and forth in between colors. So this is where we're at right now. We did the leaves, we did the detailing on the pumpkin. And now if you want, you can take a white and we can create kind of like little sparkles. And I'm going to list all of my products that I'm using down below. And just so you know, this tutorial is kind of off of recreating somebody else's that I found on YouTube. I believe her name is Lisa Joy, so I'm going to link her video down below as well. Taking the white, we're going to make a little dot, a big dot, and then we're going to flick out the lines. See, so it's like a little shimmer. Okay, I'm going to put on my lipstick and then I think we're going to be done. I'm going to go in with the shade Charming from the Balm Cosmetics. It's like a pink shade. Okay, so this is the finished pumpkin look. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides, and if you want to see part 1 of how I did just the makeup portion, I will link that video down in my description as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I think this is super cute and really fun, and it's pretty easy to do. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.